Lions. Lions are big cats. They are the second largest cats in the world. Only tigers grow bigger than lions. Lions have a strong body covered with fur. The fur can be yellow or brown. Lions have a long tail, big teeth and sharp claws. Male lions have a mane. A mane is an area of bushy hair around the lion's head and neck. Male lions are about 8 feet long. They weigh more than 2 grown-up men put together. Female lions are a little smaller. Many lions live on savannas. Others live in dry forests. Most lions live on the continent of Africa. A few lions live in India. They are called Asiatic lions. Lions eat other animals. Some of their favorite animals to eat are zebras, wildebeests, and antelopes. Sometimes lions even eat elephants. A few lions have eaten people. A mother lion has 2 to 6 cubs at a time. At first, the cubs stay in a den with their mother. When the cubs are about 5 weeks old, they leave the den. They begin to learn how to hunt. Lions in the wild can live about 15 years. Lions live in family groups called prides. Most prides have about 15 lions. The lions of a pride spend a lot of time sleeping. Lions sleep and rest about 20 hours a day. Cubs spend a lot of time playing. Lions move around the most at night. Sometimes they roar as they move around. Lions often hunt at night. Female lions do most of the hunting. They usually work together as a team. Today, people around the world go to zoos to see lions. Some people watch lions perform in the circus, and some people even go to Africa to see lions in the wild. It is exciting to get close to these big cats. A lion story. Why do lions roar? People in Africa used to tell a story about this. They said that the lion used to sneak up on animals and eat them. One day, a hare put honey from a beehive on the lion while he slept. When the bees saw the honey, they stung the lion. The pain made the lion roar. From then on, the lion roared and the animals always heard him coming.